Welcome to this week's featured installation in South Windsor, New South Wales. In this episode, we return to Yellow Truck, which is led by CEC accredited electrician Liam and his crew of Joel, Rory and Zaydaan. Today our team address a unique challenge. This project is in an industrial estate and the roof was made up of two different roof types. The first being the long line profile and the second is the Klip Lok roof system. The problem this presents is that the brackets and systems we use to tie the rail to the roof is quite different for each profile. This situation is quite common when the roof has undergone a restoration or repair, which seems to be the case in this scenario. So for the perfect finish, our team sourced the correct brackets for each roof type, and here's Liam and Rory to explain the intricacies of this system on site.
Yeah, so you got the slim line here, which is just one long slim channel. And the slim feet just clamp over that. And then we've got the Klip Lok, which just changes here, under there, and that's with the two ribs underneath. So as you can see, they look pretty similar, but different feet systems, yeah.
All right, so this clamping foot is called the long line Klip Lok foot. So it just slots over the Klip Lok here. It's got two 6mm bits that go in the side here, just clamps down, secures it nice and strong. Then we've just got the sledder foot sitting on top, clamped to the rail.
So this is different, like there's no screw lines at all?
No screw lines at all. Yeah.
So we're actually clamping onto this?
Yeah, so literally this is secured in, can't really lift these sheets, and then these two bolts on the other side tighten up, squash it down, and then you can't lift it up.
So it's all clamped.
And then this is just a normal sledder foot that we take the screw out. We put a 6mm bolt straight through here, tightens it up, and then you just work as normal.
Work as normal?
Adapt.
A little higher off the roof though.
A little higher off the roof, yeah.
Today we are working on a Klip Lok roof. We've got normal Klip Lok and we've got long line. So Liam's explained that, and these are our Klip Lok feet. So we get them pre-made so that you just screw them straight in and straight into the rail. So as you can see, there's a little lip that runs underneath both sides, and it's got two hooks on the bottom of that. Slide it over the top and then just clamps over the top.
Rail foot, is it?
So that's a replicate of our normal 10 feet, just on a smaller scale, and that comes pre-installed for us.
By Schledder?
Yeah, by Schledder. Yeah. And then also, we've got guide ropes on this roof, so we've had to adjust the plan around that. So we've taken out panels that run up to accommodate for that, and we've taken out one on the corner as well. So just not to get in the way of that.